First rates will just start kicking in on your screen now. I'll let the wall do all the talking. We have nothing big actually, frankly, nothing big. Vodafone has now almost become like a forgotten story. With all the excitement, all the pent-up demand, Vodafone has become a forgotten story now. Let's address the newsmakers here. Tata Power, TVS, L&T. Tata Power down 5 rupees, nothing big, nothing scary. TVS reacting to a strong set of numbers, 2054 for TVS. And third, I think is L&T, where the numbers were a miss. Guidance has been tapered down, 6% down, 5% down for L&T. So again, you're in that phase of the market, like yesterday, Policy Bazaar or PB Fintech, good news got ignored. Tata Power, consistency is getting ignored. But L&T, bad set of numbers or marginal miss, the stock's getting hammered. And that is the phase of the market where we are in, where bad news is getting disproportionately punished. Good news is getting completely unrecognized. Aisha?
Yeah, absolutely, and a whole lot of red on the screen. I mean, almost a 5% downtick on L&T. That's been quite harsh a reaction from the street. Week to date, of course, the stock did run up quite a fair bit. Let's talk about the positives then. BOB, given that RBI has lifted the restrictions on BOB World app, so that's a bit of a relief. 3% higher nearabouts in BOB as we speak right now. HAL, BEL, Nomura has initiated a buy. Tata Power, modest Q4. The outlook for renewable growth is positive from them. But again, no positive reaction there either. 2% lower actually on Tata Power as we speak right now. Piramal Enterprises, though, along with L&T, did come out with weak numbers. It's been a muted Q4 for them. And straight away, 5% of a slash coming in for Piramal Enterprises as we speak. For Sula as well, there's been a margin miss because of the higher OPEX, so look out for that reaction too. Sula too has started off 4% lower as we speak right now. Muthoot and Manappuram, a lot of reports indicating that the RBI has sent advisory to NBFCs on loan cash dispersal, and those stocks have got hammered, gapped down and still sinking lower as we speak right now. 6% lower on Manappuram, Muthoot as well lower by about 8% as we speak. Weak numbers from Bajaj Consumer, Home First Finance, ESAF SFB, BSE. The margins have contracted, by the way, about 507 basis points, and the operating expenses has seen an uptick of about 40.3%, but that stock is holding up well. Overall operational numbers are not all that bad. TVS Motors also, the earnings have been a beat. The margins have come in above that 11% mark for a third straight consecutive quarter, and that's something that the street is really liking. This has been quite the star performer of the last year, and right now as well, 3% of a gap up is what you're seeing on that particular stock. Capri Global, the profits have surged about over 27%. The NII as well has risen to now 35.5%. Couple of order wins as well for both NBCC and RVNL. So look out for those stocks too as to what kind of a reaction that they are seeing. But for the Nifty, just absolutely flat. Kunal, is it starting off where it left off yesterday?
Yeah,
pretty much seems to be the case.
Yeah, absolutely flat for the indices. No major trends, no change, no drastic change as such on the premiums also for both the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. And the Index is again just about floating at the 17 to 17.5 odd range. So expecting the similar kind of a price action if the Index doesn't shoot up about the 17.5 odd mark. Now in terms of opening trade, I think ITC is something which over the last couple of days has given a breakout of a bullish flag formation. So above 430 odd levels looks attractive.
Right. Naresh, what are the first trades that you're punching in?
So continue like Chambal Fertilizer. The stock reversed well yesterday. So any intraday dip would be looking out for a buy on Chambal.
Right, all right.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.